In this video, I will show you how to get the number of months between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some start and end dates in these columns. Now I want to get months between two dates. For example, for the first row, I want to get 1 month difference between these two dates. Similarly, for the second row, the month difference between start and end dates will be 6. To get the months between two dates, we can use the Excel dateDiff function. The dateDiff function returns the number of days, months, or years between two dates. This function accepts 3 arguments: a start date, an end date, and a unit of difference. Here is a table containing different unit, argument values, and the function output. To get the difference in months, I am going to specify m as the unit argument. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type dateDiff followed by an opening bracket. Select the start date as the first argument of the dateDiff function. Type a comma and then select the end date as the second argument. Type a comma and then type the letter M in the double quotes as the third unit argument to get the difference in months. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the number of months between two dates. The dateDiff function returns the number of whole months only. For example, for the fourth row, even though the difference between the dates is only 1 day less than a full month, the dateDiff returns the month difference as 0. Similarly, for the last row, the dateDiff function returns half a month of difference as 0. If you want to consider more than 15 days as a complete month, there is a workaround. To do that, I am going to add 15 days to the end date inside the dateDiff function like this. By adding 15 days, the end dates falling after the 15th of the month become the early dates of the next month, and thus the dateDiff function will consider it as a whole month. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, row number 4 now has a date difference of 1 month because the day difference is more than 15 days. The last row still has a month difference of 0 because the difference in days is less than 15. We can also get the decimal months between two dates by using the Excel yearFrac function. The yearFrac function returns the fraction of the years between two dates. This function accepts 3 arguments: a start date, an end date, and an optional basis. To get the decimal months between two dates, I am going to get the decimal years between these dates and then multiply the result with 12 to convert it to months. Here is the formula to do that. The yearFrac function returns the decimal years between these two dates. Since there are 12 months in a year, I have multiplied the result by 12 to convert the years to months. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have a difference of months as 0.43 for the row number 3. Similarly, for row number 5, the difference of months is 0.47 for the 14 days. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.